In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a sequence with a tag in kit.com email. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that adds people to an email sequence the moment they get a specific tag, so your follow-up runs on autopilot. Start by opening your Kit dashboard. From the main navigation, head to Grow, then choose Subscribers. This is where you manage your audience and organize them with tags, which act like labels you can filter and trigger automations with. Create a new tag. Give it a clear descriptive name that tells you exactly why someone has it, like lead magnet, guide download, or webinar registered. Keeping naming consistent helps a lot as your list grows. When you're happy with the name, save it. That tag is what will kick off your sequence later. Next, with subscribers still open, click Send, then go to Sequences. Open the sequence you want to use or select the one you've prepared for this workflow. Rename the subject line for your first email so it's clear and compelling. Add your emails to the sequence in order. A welcome email to set expectations and deliver any promised content, a value email to teach, nurture, or share a quick win, and an offer email that invites the subscriber to take the next step. Keep messages concise, focused on one outcome each, and make sure your links and branding are consistent. Now let's connect the sequence to your tag. Click Automate, then choose Visual Automations. Create a new automation, select Start from Scratch, and click Start Building. You'll see a blank canvas where you define the trigger and actions. Choose Tag is added as the trigger, then select the exact tag you just created from the list. Confirm your choice and add the event so it appears on the canvas. Click the plus icon beneath the trigger, pick Email Sequence, and choose the sequence you opened a moment ago. This tells Kit to enroll anyone with that tag directly into that series of emails. To finish, turn it on, use the active toggle to enable the automation, then click Activate to confirm. Once live, this workflow will run automatically for every subscriber who receives that tag. That's it. You created a tag, organized your sequence with a welcome, value, and offer, and built a visual automation that enrolls people the instant the tag is applied. From here, any form, checkout, or manual update that adds that tag will reliably trigger the right emails at the right time. If anything doesn't fire, double check the automation is active and the correct tag and sequence are selected.